How does one truly philosophize? The answer to the question is that to philosophize is to take responsibility and time for reflection in order to gain insight into essence of an object. First supporting point, philosophy requires responsibility and patience, as shown in My Father's Garden, where not stepping on any plant is the prerequisite to enter the garden, symbolizes care and growth over time. Second point, the Greeks practiced theoria, showing that reflection and patience allowed philosophy to emerge as a universal and never-ending quest for wisdom. Von Hildebrand, in the third point, emphasized that philosophy depends on a priori knowledge, the grasp of necessary truths like justice, love, and beauty. However, with regard to the first point, others say that today, AI can summarize ideas quickly, making patient reading unnecessary. With respect to the second point, other thinkers object that reflection is useless since education can simply deposit facts and the mind like the banking model. Third objection, about the third point. Some people claim that insights are too biased and unreliable only empirical methods can be trusted. To the first objection, I answer that while AI is helpful, true philosophy requires personally engaging with ideas in a responsible and patient way. To the second, I reply that memorization without reflection leads to pseudo-knowledge that misses the essence of truth, justice, love, beauty. To the third one, I say that insight must be purified through ethical responsibility, openness, and guidance. Yes. For example, to understand love, watching affection is not enough. One must reflect deeply on what love itself means. Another one is that when I saw a butterfly moving from flower to flower, I realized its beauty lies in the essence of its being, not just in its color. To illustrate the third one, consider my struggle with phenomenology. Where I studied patiently and guided eventually brought me clarity, especially the writings of Wojtyła and Hildebrand. Now, my realization. True philosophy requires responsibility because I must do the thinking myself. Second, reflection gives meaning to knowledge, without which philosophy is lifeless. And third, insight requires ethical openness and humility so that it becomes reliable and be guided. My conclusion is that to philosophize is to be responsible, patient, and open to insight. Without these, we risk shallow pseudo-philosophy, but with them, we cultivate wisdom and can guide our life. And so, starting today, I will read slowly and responsibly instead of relying only on shortcuts. Second, I will also reflect daily. I will continue reflecting and use my journal to link abstract ideas with concrete experiences. And finally, I will remain open to correction and guidance so that my insights are ethically responsible and trustworthy. Thank you.